tips to promote your business. With the current work-from-home lifestyle, digital marketing has reached its peak with people staying at home but wanting to promote and connect with their audience. From getting a proper idea of where to start and what to sell to reaching the desired people and making a name for yourself out there, you need to have a strategy, a plan to ensure that things go in an organized manner. Search engine optimization. This is one of the common ways to promote your site with the help of Google searches. As based on your location, the search engine will provide your site on top searches to anyone in the area looking for your services, thus helping you grow locally. Your content has the chance to reach various people through this, helping you to widen your base and attract potential customers. As word of mouth is much more relied on, feedbacks by people on your site shows good customer service as well as a powerful way to promote your business. Respond to reviews. This is also important as many times people have various queries and getting them answered efficiently and quickly definitely improves your relationship with your audience as well as potential customers visiting your site. Promotion on social media, as it is one of the main hubs of activity nowadays, because of the large audience and people actively looking for things to browse. Sharing of media among your followers would help you reach out more. Grow locally. Once you start a business, growing it locally would help you build a base with regular customers. Expanding it locally not only helps you build a strong customer relationship but also makes plans accordingly to grow it. Display marketing. For display marketing, with the help of a marketing agency you can buy spots on websites or at the beginning of a video on YouTube so that it reaches a variety of audiences. Make the promotion interesting with sale offers or catchy designs so that you get more traffic to your site. So, with influencer marketing, you can promote your products with people having a high number of followers or celebrities, so that their loyal fans buy and show interest in your products. Start a blog. Writing blogs help you connect more with your customers as well as write about how your business generally. Use of analytics. This helps you know more about what is working with your customers and what isn't. Marketing agencies can help you make changes by looking at the analytics and benefiting your business. To know more, drop us a line on Neelesh at socialpl.in.